Whoa. Ha. Hi guys, welcome back. Another video. All in and active. Chris here. Back out on the mountain bike. Today we are at a local Michigan trail, another local Michigan trail, Anderson mountain biking trail in Anderson Nature Preserve, close to Lansing, Michigan. We thought we'd give this trail a try. First time here, so let's do this together. Weather conditions a little overcast. Like I said, it's rained most of the weekend. We're out on a Sunday. Rained pretty much all day yesterday, Saturday. Definitely can tell by the leaves. Hey there, that they ran some deer. Definitely can tell by the leaves that it's fall. Temperatures, I think we're breaching 45, maybe mid to upper 40s. That's not too bad. This is gonna be one of those rides where we're just gonna take it easy. Yeah. Get a good cardio, good leg workout in. So, okay, so we can go blue. Or we stay on the red. Looking sketchy. Alright, so we're back to the main road. Alright guys. Got done with the blue loop and the red loop. Now we're heading down to do the green loop. But head down this little service road a little bit. Pick that trail up. This has been an adventurous ride, but fun. So keep sticking around. Let's do this. Let's do it together. All right, everyone, we're picking up the green loop. This looks to be about a 2 mile ride, 2 mile trail. So far it's been a fun ride. Everything's a little greasy with these leaves and being wet a little bit. But overall, the trail conditions aren't bad. They're not muddy. Pretty fun. Just take it easy. Just have a good time. The best part of doing these trail rides is the workout. Get your cardio, get your blood pumping, get your breathing heavy, get your, a little greasy there, get your muscles engaged. Good leg workout, a really good overall body workout. Oh yeah. There now. All right, guys, that's another one in the books. Anderson Bike Trail, close to Lansing, Michigan. This was another fun trail, great workout. Couple big takeaways. The trail isn't marked the greatest. So if you're not familiar with it, you definitely have to stop on occasion to see which direction to go. But it was a fun trail. Had some tech, not a lot, but some. Definitely had a lot of elevation changes. But hey, like all mountain biking rides, man, this is great. It was fun. It was an adventure. If you stuck around this far with this video, thanks for the support, thanks for tuning in, and we will definitely try to get out more. Yeah, until next video, like I say, get all in, get active, and keep crushing goals. Peace.